What's up, everybody? Back to the gold chart. Watching gold chart right now. Thought to share my views. What may happen next week. So, where are we now, guys? Market makers be playing out. They are doing nasty moves right here. All right. So we had this move. We had the trapped volume here, 30 mile. The first beginning of the month. What they did, they trapped retails here with the breakout of the previous month high, and boom, they dropped the price. And where they did target, they target the weekly low right here. This was the weekly low 80.73, and they trapped volume there for Friday moves for employment rate numbers, and they move. So what they did, guys, right here, they broke previous weekly high. They created extended W pattern right here, and they send the price higher. So what they did, they trapped volume right here. They was calling right here. The price action about here sellers. They thought that the price would go further down, but right here, if you see in the left, is a bullish order block 1 hour time frame, and they used this move right here to trap sellers in Friday, and they used this beautiful move here to complete the pattern for news. Stop believing in those crappy shit numbers. Alright, market makers did they move in Asia season right here, and they was ready to explode, and they used news to complete their pattern. That's it. Alright. These were my moves right here. 8016 banger. I did share in Instagram, in Telegram also. Watch for buys as long prices be above 86, 8065, because market makers did their moves. They trapped sellers, and their intention was margin call. This is the game. The game is to take your money. Alright, market are made to take your money. So you need to be very smart in this game, and you're competing against professionals. So what I expect in gold? I expect in gold the bullish move next week, at least to test this level 90.09. This is previous weekly monthly high right here. Okay, so what you want to do, how you want to catch this move with a good risk ratio? Always watch the price action. We are forecasting right now, and always we need to see price action. Okay, so what you want to do right here, the best solution is you to wait for a bit pullback. If the price give you a pullback, this can be a good area, 86, 80, 76, 80, 75, something like that. And you need to see price action, bullish engulfing, pins, hammers right here, this area, and boom, entering that buy. Load those buys, guys. Boom, taking the next level. Alright, so if this whole zone hold right here 80.75, I'm ready in for buys. Okay, I need to see the price action there, and I'm gonna take action. This is my first target, 90.09 or 90.02. I need to see the price action around this area and take action. But I don't think that market makers will send the price further down. Alright, if they send the price further down, they can release the trapped volume, but market makers are not in the game to release the trapped money. Keep in mind that. So these are my best setup. I want to see price action. I want to see a small pullback in Monday. I need to see how the price react around this area right here, and boom, take that buy in the next session. All right, so if this zone hold right here, I expect this level to hold, or this broken trend line. It was a broken trend line uh, that was broken maybe in Thursday, something like that. And I expect this trend line to be tested. If this get broken, this level is going to be tested, and 90-20 maybe 90-20 it can be. All right. So as long prices above 80.75, think for buys. If market makers break that level, it means that they didn't trap it enough sellers and they can send the price further down. But keep in mind, as long the price is above 80.75, think for buys, lot the buys up to this level, and watch price action out to the right. This is a short term, okay? Short term. It can be also the move for swings, but we need to see how the price react, how the volume is will be created around these areas, and we will trade according to price action. So these are my thoughts for the next week, guys. I want to buy on the dips up to these levels, and later I want to see how the previous monthly high react, and if I see a good bearish rejection of these areas, maybe I can enter sell. But I do expect maybe one or two pushes from this move, because this is one push, maybe two or three pushes, and they complete the cycle. I hope it was a bit helpful. You can find on Telegram. I will share the link in the description, my Instagram, and have a good day.